In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid ETrade wire transfer fee. The easiest way to skip wire fees is to move money using an ACH or electronic transfer after linking your bank. I'll walk you through the exact path to get that set up, explain what to expect, and share a few tips to make sure your transfer goes smoothly. Start by signing in and heading to Transfer Money, then open the External Account section. This is where you connect your bank so you can move funds without using a wire. When you choose to link your bank, you'll typically see two options: instant verification, where you securely sign into your bank through the prompted window, or manual verification, where you enter your routing and account numbers. Make sure the name on the bank account matches the name on your brokerage account, or the link may fail. If you go the manual route, watch for two small test deposits to land in your bank within 1 to 3 business days. You'll come back here to confirm those amounts and finish the link. With instant verification, the connection often completes right away. Once your bank is linked, return to Transfer Money. Select your brokerage account and your newly linked external account. Now choose the electronic transfer or ACH option. This is the key step that avoids the wire fee. Do not select a wire transfer. Wires are fast but usually come with a fee. ACH transfers are typically free and take about 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and the time you submit. Enter the amount you want to move and pick a date. You can do a one-time transfer or schedule recurring transfers for consistency. Before you confirm, review the details carefully: the direction of the transfer, the accounts involved, and the total amount. If you need funds on a specific day, submit early and factor in weekends and holidays, which don't count as business days. Some transfers may have holds or limits, especially for new accounts, so starting with a smaller test amount is a good idea. After you submit, you can track the status in your transfer activity. If you catch a mistake, look for an option to cancel before the daily cutoff. After that, it may already be processing. Keep your login secure, use two-factor authentication, and avoid re-entering bank details on unfamiliar pages. That's it. By going to Transfer Money, linking your bank in external accounts, and choosing an ACH electronic transfer, you can move money efficiently and avoid wire transfer fees.